real shiny, y'all. So, I have actually worked with them, I think, once before in the past. Somehow, I don't even remember which unit it was. Not gonna lie. There's something in my eye. Do you see this? Let me just give you the hair details. So this is a 24-inch 5x5 HD lace wig. Now, okay, the HD lace, this is legit. Can I just zoom in? Yo, do you see the lace anywhere? Anywhere. Point it out. Bruh. This lace is on some other level, and I'm really, really excited about that. Yes, I did get a small cap size, and it does fit very, very, very well. Speaking of caps, the cap construction also kind of blew my mind. The cap construction was very high quality, like as in it was very well made. I didn't see a whole bunch of issues like I normally do, like loose threads and this and that. Like, it's just built well. This is, as I said, 5x5 inches of parting space with the HD lace. It has a comb on the side, comb on the other side, comb in the middle, big gigantic comb in the back, the good comb, adjustable straps, and a removable elastic band. So I have this on my head. I don't have it glued down, sewn down, none of that. It's just on, ready to go on. You don't gotta do nothing else on. Hairline does come pre-plugged, and it was bleached as well. The only actual thing I did do was part it in this side part here and curl the hair. So let's get into the styling. Alright, so this is what it's looking like fresh out the box. I just plopped it on my head, and I'm actually really, really impressed. I have not had my morning coffee yet. There's been typhoons all week. You're probably gonna still hear like the wind rustling in the leaves outside. It is so noisy. So I haven't been able to film any videos because it's been so loud outside, and ain't getting no sleep. But at least my hair gonna look good. As you can see, bruh, I'm one of them lazy girls that don't like to do any plucking. Like, I could pluck, but I just don't have the energy. So the hairline and the baby hairs are very nice. I can tell this is not gonna take work at all. So yeah, I'm just gonna walk you guys through this. The first thing that I do is just cut off the lace. Might have cut off more than I should. Alright, I don't know what part I'm going for. I think I'm just gonna go for like a little side swoop. I'm gonna go for a side swoop. This is just water with like some leave-in conditioner. Ooh, that part. Now that is what I call bleached. I think that's good enough, maybe. Next, I'm gonna go in with some foaming mousse just to secure the part a little bit more, and I'm almost out. I have another bottle somewhere, but almost out. You know, the Rona been shutting down borders, so I can't go to America and stock up on nothing. I'm praying that I have another bottle somewhere. I think I do, but if I don't, oh my god, this is like such a huge part of my hair routine. Yeah, this foaming mousse is the junk. I love this brand. Called Loda Body with coconut and shea oil. Alright, next I'm gonna cut some baby hairs. I'm a little sad because they did this hairline so perfectly. Every time I cut baby hairs, I like ruin it. Bruh, look at this hairline. Do you see anything? Wow. Now, I like that Jessica Rabbit hump. That's what I call it, I swear. I just like the front of the hair to be pushed back, like right here. So I'm gonna put some more foaming mousse. Then I'm gonna go in with my electric hot comb and just like push the front back. Be very careful. I cannot tell y'all how many times I burn my forehead. Matter of fact, I'm pulling this back. I wear my wig so far down on my forehead, it's not even funny. Now I'm gonna sleek down the baby hairs with some Eco Styling Gel. I'm gonna go in with the Got To Be Glued Freeze Blast Spray, and I don't use this to like secure the wig. Guys, this wig is on. It's not going nowhere. Like, it comes with everything that you would need to be just on, but it just helps to hold the style in place. But I kind of think, shoot, I do this all the time. Guys, I have a 6 head. No, a 7 head. And I be styling my wigs too far back. Like, I need to come down here a little bit more. That's good. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Easy Curl. I got this off of Amazon. I'm gonna speed through this so that you don't have to watch me curl all of this hair, because that would be boring. But yeah, you just put it in. It's like a little slit, and you just curl. They have 2 barrel sizes. This is the bigger barrel. I have the smaller one. I actually prefer the smaller one somehow. And there you go. And I only curl the ends of my hair and then the front. Now I'm gonna go over the part with some LA Girl Pro Concealer. I think this is in the color Fawn. It doesn't really need it because I did a great job, but I like my part to be very vivid. Alright, so that is it. That is all that I did. And honestly, you could probably do even less and get away with a good look. But yeah, I like to play in mine a little bit. So good points are the cap construction, hair quality, cap quality, and this HD lace. Yes, I actually do not have even one bad thing to say about this wig right now. So if you want an update, you're gonna have to hit me up on Instagram. That's usually where I'm at. This is the style wig that I would normally wear on the day-to-day, so I know I'm gonna be wearing this wig. So go ahead, hit me up. You wanna know how it's going. Right now, this literally gets an A+ from me. I don't have anything bad to say. Other than I did the baby hairs really poorly. So if you want any information on this wig, I will have the links down below in the description box. You can go check them out. Highly recommend, actually. This one is fire. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so I can make more videos on this channel. And yeah, I will see you guys next time.